That's right, subscribers, we're talking about some audiophile stuff this time and not just like a keyboard or something. So this is kind of new for the channel, right? Welcome. Here, go on YouTube and look for the best gaming headset ever, or something like that. Use a gaming headset or buy a separate microphone to have in front of you like I have here. Another common type of video you may see if you look for the best gaming headset on YouTube, instruction manual. I am not an audiophile at all. I dabbled into IEMs and audio and whatnot last year, just kind of on my own for fun. So with that said, I may not know what any of these upcoming specs mean, but you could be gosh darn sure I'm gonna read them to you. The cable length is 2 meters. I know what that means. That's adequate. Now the microphone is an omnidirectional microphone. I know what that Duo is more expensive and blue. There's more to it than that, I'm joking. Treble is gonna help you hear footsteps a lot more easily. You really wanna hear those footsteps. You want less bass, a little more treble. And I can definitely feel that when I'm playing games like Valorant, for example. This is a sound test of the onboard microphone on the Kimura Duo. It's actually very clear. It's impressively clear. The only problem with it, it's not even necessarily a problem, but it just may be a preference thing, is that it's very open. It is an omnidirectional microphone. As you can see right here on the side of my face, it doesn't even come that far forward toward the front of my face like a traditional gaming headset. It sounds pretty good, but you might be able to tell I may sound pretty far away in-game, on Discord, and what have you. So one possible problem, maybe a preference thing, kind of depending on your living situation and your setup, is that it is a very open-sounding omnidirectional microphone, so it's going to pick up different noise around your room, like if somebody were to say hello.
Hello.
You might hear that, or you could hear your keyboard sounds or your mouse clicks and so on. Huh? Did you talk again? You also can't really hear anything else when you have these in your ears. So I got that sealed pretty good. I got the memory foam, which I usually use silicone, but I wanted to try the memory foam. Or if you're using like a keyboard or a mouse, which you may be doing when you're gaming, that may come through. So this is me talking into the microphone while I'm also kind of clicking on my mouse. If you can hear the mouse, then it kind of gives you an idea of whether or not you can hear the mouse. Same thing with the keyboard. This is a keyboard that I'm just kind of pounding like my fingers on. It's not a mechanical keyboard, but I'm doing a pretty hard little button presses just to kind of give you an idea. Again, it does come with a little clip on the cable, and it has this little adjustability thing. So if you want to just wear it like you're a farmer on the farm, and you've got like your straw hat with the little string there, you can do that. You got that whole number going. And the seal is really good too. It really is good at kind of pushing out any outside audio so that you're just hearing whatever it is you're consuming with the headphones. I can kind of hear myself talking very muffled, and so I hope it sounds clear.